Hi friends, I am Devadas. I am mathematics teacher. I am here in front of you because for explaining real numbers, right? Today we are going to learn about real numbers, right? See, from earlier classes, from sixth class, we have number system, right? In the number system, it is started by natural numbers. Already we know that natural numbers. What is natural numbers? Natural numbers are nothing but the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are represented by capital N. Natural numbers are represented by capital N. So what are natural numbers? The set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. are called natural numbers. Right? Even natural numbers also called as counting numbers. Natural numbers also called as counting numbers. Right. Next, here for counting, we use 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And in this, something is missing. What is missing? Yes, 0. 0 is missing. If we include 0 to natural number set, then one more set will become that is whole numbers, right? Next, whole numbers. What is whole numbers? Whole numbers are represented by capital W. Whole numbers are represented by capital W. The set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. are called whole numbers. Right? Yes, it is about whole numbers. And by observing this whole number set, some more numbers are missing. What are the numbers are missing here? Yes, negative numbers. If we include negative numbers to whole number set, then one more new set will become that is integers. Integers, right? So integers. Integers are represented by capital I. Integers are represented by capital I or Z. I or Z. Here I for integer. Then what do we know about Z? Z for Jahel. Jahel. It is Germany word, right? It is Germany word. Jahel means to count. In Germany, we can say Jahel for to count. So what are integers here? The negative numbers, positive numbers, including 0, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. We can define integers as the negative set of negative numbers and positive numbers including 0. Here 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay, so it is about integers. Here we can say that all natural numbers are whole numbers. Is it or not? We can say that all natural numbers are whole numbers because you can find these all natural numbers in whole numbers. Right? That's what we can say. All natural numbers are whole number. But we cannot say all whole numbers are natural because 0 is there in whole, but 0 is not there in natural. So you cannot say that whole numbers are in natural. Also, we can say all natural numbers are integers because we can find a integer natural number in the integer set, right? But here we cannot say that integers are natural. Even we can say all whole numbers are integers because you can find all whole numbers in the integer set. But we cannot say integers are whole, right? So it is about what? Next, here also if you find integer, some more numbers are missing like fractional numbers, right? So if we include them also, here we have one more set that is rational number. So here rational number. What is rational number? Rational numbers are first of all, rational numbers are represented by capital Q. Capital Q. Why for Q? Rational numbers. Why do we represent by Q? Q for quotient numbers. Q for quotient. When do we get quotient here? When you divide two numbers. When you divide two numbers, we get quotient, right? So that's what rational number definition is a number which is in the form of P by Q. A number which is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Q not equal to 0. So then we can say it is about rational number. That means quotient numbers, right? Here, let us take some examples for rational numbers, right? So it is, for example, we can say 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is a rational number or not? Yes, it is a rational number because here 2 and 5 are integers and denominator q not equal to 0. So here one more number here, minus 1 by 7. Minus 1 by 7. Is it rational number or not? Yes, it is rational number because it is in the form of P by Q, and P and Q are integers. Minus 1 by 7 and integers, and the denominator is not equal to 0. Right? And here, for example, 2.5. 2.5. Is it rational number or not? Yes, it is about rational number because every decimal number can be written in the form of fractional form, right? So then we can say it is also rational number. And here, for example, if you observe natural numbers, can we say all natural numbers are rational number? Yes, because every natural number can be represented by P by Q form, like 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, in that way. Even whole numbers, all whole numbers are rational number because all whole numbers can be represented by 0 by 1, 1 by 1, in that way. Even integers also rational numbers. But we cannot say rational numbers are natural or rational numbers are whole, rational numbers are integers. That way we cannot say, right? So it is about rational number. We can say that these all three, these are all four sets are called rational number family. These are all a rational number family. Then coming to non-rational number is nothing but irrational number. See, irrational numbers. What about irrational numbers? Irrational numbers are represented by Q dash. Irrational numbers are represented by Q dash. What is irrational number here? Which is not in the form of P by Q. Not in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers, Q not equal to 0. Same definition, but it is not a rational numbers. Irrational numbers are nothing but not a rational number. Q dash in mathematically, Q dash means we can say not Q, means not rational number. See, what are the irrational numbers here? Here irrational numbers examples are like root 2, root 3, and pi. Here, pi. What is the meaning of pi? What is the value of pi? Pi is nothing but 22 by 7. Somebody can think that 22 by 7. Actually, pi is not equal to 22 by 7. It is approximate value. Pi value as 22 by 7 as approximate value. Also, somebody will take that 3.14. 3.14 also we can make it round for two decimal values and we use as pi value. Actually, pi value is 3.1416. It is having non-terminating, non-recurring decimal form, right? So that's what we can say that pi is irrational number. So irrational number is nothing but a number which is in the form of non-terminating, non-recurring decimal form or not in the form of P by Q. Okay, so it is about irrational number. Coming to real numbers. Now we can come to real numbers. What is real number? The set of rational numbers and irrational numbers. The set of rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Real numbers are represented by capital R. Real numbers are represented by capital R. So we can say this all the numbers are called real numbers. Right? So it is about introduction of real numbers. In next class, we can go by Euclid's division. Thank you.